Alright, so Cubana chief priest of city boys don distribute 250 makeup kits worth 40 million naira to Imo women, even promising dem dat im go support dem financially so dat dem go dey financial independence. Why chief priest dey do dis thing na because APC don settle him. That's why im get mind dey bring out 40 million naira dey buy makeup kit for Imo women. Bola Ahmed Tinubu don settle him. Im don settle Obi Cubana. Im don settle many of them. That's why they are spending all this money. You now as a ordinary citizen, you don't know what is happening. You will think say na like that e be. Next year election, you will still go vote for Tinubu. You will not see any financial independence wey chief priest talk. You no go see am until 2031 when Tinubu go finish his tenure for office. You no go see anything. All these things wey all these people dey do now na because of election they are doing it. They are just using it to campaign for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If you are a wise Nigeria, you will know. But if you are not wise, take this video serious. Share this video. All these things now they are doing now because election is near. Because election is nearby. That is why they are spending this money. Promising you people heaven and earth. But trust me, after election, you will not hear from them again. After election, you will never hear from them again. They are just doing these things for their personal gain. Their families dey abroad, their families dey London, their families no dey Nigeria. Instead, im go use that 40 million naira go renovate all these schools wey dey for Imo State. Use am pay school fees for nursery and primary school students make dem go school. Im no do am. Im use am go buy makeup kit for Imo women. And forget say their children dey, they no dey go good school. They no dey go school. No good living. Im use a whole 40 million naira use am go buy makeup kit for Imo women. That is why so many people love Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man understand the system of Nigeria. That's why Very Dark Man dey make sure say im dey support any project concerning school. And that is why people love Peter Obi. Peter Obi cannot do this kind of thing. Instead, Peter Obi will use that money to go support hospitals. Peter Obi can use this money and go and support hospitals, or go to hospitals, pay for people wey no get family that will support them for their medical bill. Peter Obi will use this money and go and fix school and fix hospitals so that the sick ones will get their feet back. Cubana chief priest no fit do those things. Na to go buy makeup kit for them. Make all of them dey make up. Na makeup dem go chop. Na makeup dem go use train their children. Na makeup go give them good future. Na makeup go give them good future. Some people just dey do anyhow for politics, but they no dey think well. Tell me your opinion for comment section about this thing wey Cubana chief priest do. Then subscribe to my channel, expect more updates.